should not, like water and oil, repel each other, but should, like milk and water, mingle together. Don't let someone get comfortable with disrespecting you. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. It is never too late to be what you might have been. Respect commands itself, and it can neither be given nor withheld when it is due. To your enemy, forgiveness. To an opponent, tolerance. To a friend, your heart. To a customer, service. To all, charity. To every child, a good example. To yourself, respect. Respecting people is an important part of life, whether it's the person doing janitorial work or the person above you. It doesn't matter who you are. I'm going to respect you. That you may retain your self-respect. It is better to displease people by doing what you know is right than to temporarily please them by doing what you know is wrong. I've been so lucky to work with such great people. People that are such hard workers and have such a respect and appreciation for one another. Learning too soon our limitations, we never learn our powers. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Tolerance only for those who agree with you is no tolerance at all. Nothing builds self-esteem and self-confidence like accomplishment. Success is most often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. Don't lower your standards for anyone or anything. Self-respect is everything. There is nothing more powerful than those who are unafraid. Action is a great restorer and builder of confidence. Inaction is not only the result, but the cause of fear. There is no respect for others without humility in oneself. Give to every other human being every right that you claim for yourself. I don't respect those who don't respect me. You call it ego, I call it self-respect. Respect is not imposed nor begged, it's earned and offered. Every day begins, take a deep breath, smile, and start again. I am not afraid of storms, for I am learning how to sail my ship. Respect yourself, respect your own inner voice, and follow it. You are the only person on earth who can use your ability. If I despised myself, it would be no compensation if everyone saluted me, and if I respect myself, it does not trouble me if others hold me lightly. Happiness blooms in the presence of self-respect and the absence of ego. One of the sincerest forms of respect is listening to what another has to say. Nothing is more despicable than respect based on fear. When we treat people merely as they are, they will remain as they are. When we treat them as if they were what they should be, they will become what they should be. Be peaceful, be courteous, obey the law, respect everyone, but if someone puts his hand on you, send him to the cemetery. Sooner or later, those who win are those who think they can. I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the trash collector or the president of the university. If we lose love and self-respect for each other, this is how we finally die. Trust yourself, you know more than you think you do. Self-respect is the greatest gift we can give to ourselves. You're always with yourself, so you might as well enjoy the company. I don't wait for people to give me respect. I always give them respect. A quest for self-respect is proof of its lack. She remembered who she was, and the game changed. Confidence is preparation. Everything else is beyond your control. If you live what you believe, you will always have the respect of others. The best lightning rod for your protection is your own spine. I'm not concerned with your liking or disliking me. All I ask is that you respect me as a human being. Be selfish enough to have self-love, self-worth, and self-respect. Dare to love yourself as if you were a rainbow with gold at both ends. You, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. If once you lose the confidence of your fellow citizens, you can never regain their respect and esteem. Respect starts with yourself. Each time we face our fear, we gain strength, courage, and confidence in the doing. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Respect your efforts, respect yourself. Self-respect leads to self-discipline. When you have both firmly under your belt, that's real power. Never judge someone by the way he looks or a book by the way it's covered, for inside those tattered pages, there's a lot to be discovered. I never loved another person the way I loved myself. When you are content to be simply yourself and don't compare or compete, everybody will respect you. Love is not a reason to tolerate disrespect. Nothing resembles selfishness more than self-respect. You are very powerful, provided you know how powerful you are. The only respect you should have is the one you earn. Be careful what you tolerate. You are teaching people how to treat you. Make yourself a priority once in a while. It's not selfish, it's necessary. Let's get this clear up. God loves you and cares about you.